Hello, fellow travelers. Glenn here from Travel with Glen, and today I'm taking you on an exclusive tour of one of the most serene escapes perfect for those seeking peace and quiet. Welcome to your paradise without kids, an adults-only all-inclusive resort where tranquility meets luxury. Let's dive in. First stop, the Zenpool. It's an oasis of calm, with stunning infinity edges and underwater music. Perfect for those who want to unwind or enjoy a cocktail by the water without any interruptions. Speaking of cocktails, the all-inclusive plan here means you can enjoy gourmet meals and premium drinks without reaching for your wallet. Whether it's a sea breeze cocktail or a 5-course dinner, everything is designed for an adult palate. Feeling like a day of pampering? The resort's spa is a sanctuary for rejuvenation. From hot stone massages to detoxifying wraps, every treatment is a piece of heaven. And for those who love adventure, there's plenty to do. Scuba diving in crystal clear waters, dance classes under the stars, and even mixology workshops. All crafted just for adults. Every night ends with a bang here. Themed parties, live bands, and shows, only for adults. It's your chance to let loose and truly enjoy the night scene. Whether you're on a romantic getaway or simply looking to relax and recharge, this adults-only all-inclusive resort promises a child-free environment packed with endless luxury and activities tailored just for you. Glenn, thanks for joining me on this serene tour. If this looks like your kind of paradise, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our adventures. Until next time, keep traveling smart and stress-free. Wait, don't go yet. I almost forgot the most important thing to give you our top 10 adult-only locations. Now that you're dreaming about your next adults-only getaway, here are 10 popular adults-only all-inclusive resorts that you should definitely consider. Let's start with Sandals Royal Bahamian, Nassau, Bahamas. This luxury resort offers stunning ocean views, a private island, and multiple gourmet dining options, making it perfect for couples seeking a romantic getaway. Next up is Excellence Playa Mujeres, Cancun, Mexico. Located in a private community, this resort is known for its beautiful beachfront, world-class spa, and upscale amenities. Next, Secrets Maroma Beach Riviera Cancun, Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Known for its spectacular white sand beaches and crystal clear waters, this resort offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and luxury. Then to Couples Tower Isle, Ocho Rios, Jamaica. This iconic resort features private island excursions, top-notch dining, and a variety of water sports. Next up is El Dorado Royale, Riviera Maya, Mexico. A spa resort that offers gourmet cuisine, swim-up suites, and personalized service. Ideal for honeymooners and those seeking a pampering vacation. Let's dance in breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic, a vibrant and modern resort known for its lively atmosphere, themed parties, and extensive entertainment options. Another great location is Live Aqua Beach Resort Cancun, Cancun, Mexico. Focusing on sensory experiences, this resort offers gastronomic delights, serene pools, and sophisticated decor. Next up is Warwick Paradise Island, Nassau, Bahamas. This harborfront resort offers a tranquil retreat with a private beach and a variety of dining options. Let's enjoy the reggae at Hyatt Zilara Rose Hall, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Situated in a historic plantation, this resort combines luxury with history, providing an elegant and relaxing stay. Last spot to make our list is the Royal Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Just steps from the famous Fifth Avenue, this resort offers luxury suites, fine dining, and exceptional service. These resorts are known for their exclusive, relaxing atmospheres and are tailored to adults seeking a sophisticated and tranquil vacation experience. Now I think that is it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our adventures. Until next time, safe travels.